Now, of course, you're certainly not limited to the 2 themes that we have available to us here in WordPress. As a matter of fact, there's a huge array of themes that we have available. Most themes are free for us to use, but other themes are commercial themes. In fact, there are professional theme designers out there, and there's a huge community online that's all sort of centered around WordPress themes and customizing themes and all the rest of it. So let's see if we can find some additional themes to use here in our blog. So what I'll do is I'll head down to Appearance there over on the left-hand side, and I'm going to go into Add New Themes. Okay, great. Now, if I know the name of the theme that I'm after, I could certainly do a search for it here, and that would, of course, search for all of the available themes based on my search criteria. Or what I can do is I can use the feature filter if I want. And of course, what I can do here is I can search based on color or based on the number of columns, the way the width is handled, either fixed width or flexible width, and so on. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to search for black, and I'm going to search for 2 columns, and I'm going to search for fixed width. And let's see what comes up here. I'll just scroll down and choose Find Themes there. See the results that we get back, the search results that come back here. I'll just scroll over to the right here so we can see what we have. And scroll down here, look at all the results we have here. So what's cool here is you can scroll through all the different results here. Maybe it's this burning bush kind of catches my eye, perhaps. Enjoy my first public WordPress theme, burning bush. And I go, you know, that looks pretty cool. What I can do is I can click on Preview. And when I click on Preview, I get this pop-up window appearing, which gives me a sort of a preview of this actual theme and how it would look with a little bit of content in it. Now, unfortunately, I have kind of a small screen happening here, but hopefully you get something a little bit larger on your screen. That's kind of cool. I think that's a pretty cool looking theme, but I think I'm going to continue looking for some other themes. So I'm going to go and close out of this window here just by clicking on the X in the top right corner. And let's see what else we have here. I'll scroll down a little bit more. Brain Power looks kind of cool. Tray Simple looks kind of cool as well. Let's see what else we have. Black Globe, or maybe Domaining Theme. Let me click on Preview for that one. So you can kind of, it's almost like you're shopping for your theme here. You just kind of window shop around until you find something that you like here. That's pretty cool. I like the colors that are used there. But you know what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scroll back towards the top. And I think what I'll wind up using is this guy here, this black letterhead. So I'll click on Preview here and have a closer look at this guy. Again, I'm loving the colors here, really kind of striking there with the black background. You can check this guy out here if you want. Let's close out of that. And this guy says here, black letterhead is a 2-column minimalistic theme with a black background. Well, that's pretty cool. So what I'll do is I actually want to use this theme, and I want to apply them to my blog. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Install. So in other words, what has to happen here is the theme has to get downloaded and installed into my WordPress blog, right? Now, inside this install screen that appears here, go ahead and click on Install Now down towards the bottom right corner. Okay, now we're inside this installing theme screen. It kind of gives us a play-by-play of what's happening. Unpacking the package, installing, successfully installed. Now, what I can do is I can preview it, or I can activate it, or I can return to my theme installer. I'm going to go ahead and activate this guy. Go ahead and click on Activate. And we'll just wait for WordPress here. Now it's taken us into our Manage Themes screen here. We're inside our Themes submenu item there. So now our current theme is the black letterhead 1.5. If I scroll down, I still have the 2 other default themes, the WordPress Classic and the WordPress Default, still available there underneath the Available Themes heading there. But let's go and check out our live blog. I still have my Preview tab open here at the top. And let's go ahead and refresh. Command R or Control R. Check that out. So again, the content has not been changed in any way. Creating shapes in Flash, there's my post. Here's a post using the HTML editor. All of my posts, all of the comments, the pages that we've created, the links that we've created, everything is still intact, but it's the presentation of our content that's changed. So very cool stuff. So I suppose I will see you in about a half hour or 45 minutes because I'm sure you're going to want to play around exploring through a lot of the different themes. But of course, there's one other thing that I want to show you related to WordPress themes, and that is the WordPress theme directory.